Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Hin, and today I want to share some practical tips on how to improve your yard, even if you are not a professional landscaper. A year ago, my yards were a bit of a mess. I didn't have a clean thumb, and honestly, I feel overwhelmed just thinking about where to start. But with a few simple changes and consistent care, I turned it into a space that's clean, healthy, and easy to enjoy. If you are looking for straightforward ways to improve your yard without needing expert design skills, this video is for you. So tip number 1, start with regular maintenance. The first tip I just said is to start with the basic regular maintenance. A lot of us think that improving a yard requires a big overhaul. But honestly, just staying on top of small tasks make a huge difference. For example, mow the lawn regularly. It keeps your yard looks tidy and prevent overgrowth. Trim your hedges. Uneven hedges make a yard look messy, but a quick trim every few weeks can really clean things up. Rake leaves and remove debris, especially in Vancouver, where leaves pile up quickly during fall. Keeping the grass clean not only look good, but also help prevent damage to your grass. Doing these small tasks consistently make the yards more inviting without feeling overwhelming. You don't need to do it all at once. Just pick one task per week to start. Tip number 2, choose low maintenance plants. The second tip is to choose plants that are easy to care for. I learned this the hard way at first. I bought plants just because they looked nice, but they either needed too much attention or didn't survive in Vancouver's climate. Now I stick to plants that are native to the area. These plants thrive naturally in Vancouver's weather and require less water and care. Example includes cedar hedges or flowering dogwood. Low maintenance perennials. These plants come back every year, so you don't need to replace them. Lavender, hearties, and ornamental grasses are great options. Shrub and evergreens. They provide year-round greenery and structure to your yards with a minimal upkeep. The great thing about low-maintenance plants is that they save your time while still making your yard look lush and vibrant. Tip number 3, mulching and soil care. The third tip is to focus on your soil and use mulching to make your care easier. I didn't know this at first, but healthy soil is the foundation of thriving yard. Adding mulch around your plant and trees have so many benefits. It keeps moisture in the soil, which is especially helpful during Vancouver's drier summer months. It prevents weeds from growing, so you'll spend less time pulling them out. It looks clean and polished, giving your yard an instant upgrade. As for soil care, a simple tip is to use compost or a good quality fertilizer 1 or 2 a year. This ensures your plants get the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. What I've learned over the past year is that improving your yard doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By focusing on small, manageable tasks like regular maintenance, choosing the right plant, and caring for your soil, you can create a space that's easy to enjoy and fits your lifestyle. For me, these changes have made a big difference. I used to avoid spending time in my yard because it felt like too much work. But now, it's a space where I can relax, enjoy time with my family, and even host friends from a BBQ. So if you are feeling overwhelmed, just start small. You don't need to do everything at once. Pick one tip from today's videos and give it a try. Over time, though little improvement will add up. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tip helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider practical ideas on jar care and home improvement. And let me know in the comments what's one thing you would love to change about your jar. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.